How to block calls on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Then open up WhatsApp on your device. Now first of all open up the chat. Now the first method is simply blocking the person account. Tap on the person name at the top left section. Now simply scroll down and tap on block. Now tap on block to block the person. So in WhatsApp, that is the only possible way to block calls. If you want to block calls but not messages, simply keep holding the chat and tap on the mute button. Now select always and tap on OK. Now you won't be notified when the person calls you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.